Good. Hello, everyone. We are delighted to present our topic on autonomous, connected, electric, and shared vehicles. My name is Jasmine Adlina Hapsari, and I am here with my teammates Wisnu Imam Satrio and Maharani Yasar Dewanti. Let's get started with our table of contents. We will begin by exploring how humans operate vehicles using an anecdote to simplify the complex back-end algorithms involved in autonomous vehicles. Then we will compare this to the operation of human-operated vehicles, providing a baseline for understanding the advancements in AV technology. Following that, we will discuss the general AV stack, breaking down the components and processes that make autonomous vehicle function. Finally, we will examine the current state and vision to the AV industry, highlighting where we are now and what the future holds. Next, to help non-technical readers understand how an AV operates, consider an analogy of a person navigating an empty room. The person's knowledge of the room layout is comparable to an AV store map data. Using his eyes to assess his current position mirrors how an AV sensor determines its location. When the person plans to move from point A to point B, his brain plans the trajectory and his feet execute the movements, similar to an AV's path planning and actuation process. If the person encounters an obstacle, he uses his eyes to detect it and his brain to replan the path, adjusting his movement accordingly. This is akin to an AV's obstacle detection and avoidance system. This analogy simplifies the complex operation of AVs by likening it to a familiar human actions, making the concept easier for non-technical audiences to understand. Next, please.
In this figure, a human driver navigates a vehicle on straight road when a previously hidden obstacle suddenly appears. In zone 1, from point A to B, the driver controls the vehicle's actuator, braking, gas, and steering, to manage its motion while continuously perceiving the surroundings. Upon reaching point B and encountering the obstacle, the driver moves into zone 2, where he quickly replans the trajectory using visual input and takes appropriate actions, such as braking, steering, or adjusting acceleration to avoid a collision. This example illustrates the dynamic process of perceptions, decision-making, and action in driving. Comparing figures 3.1 and 3.2 highlights the AV must replicate the behaviors of human drivers, maintaining safety and comforts, but without human intervention. This means AV must rely on synthetic perceptions on intelligence. To achieve this, the autonomous driving or AD software stack must be meticulously developed to ensure reliability, visibility, and security. Figure 3.3 illustrates a generic architecture of autonomous system. Inputs come from various sensors, including camera, lidar, and radar. This data is processed by perceptions module for tasks like mapping, localization, and environmental awareness. High-level control system, including guidance and navigation module, formulate the vehicle's continuous behavior. These outputs are then used by the low-level control system to maneuver the vehicle. This overview simplifies a complex system, providing a big picture understanding before delving into individual components in the subsequent section.
The future of autonomous driving technology raised the question of whether we'll see millions of individually owned autonomous vehicles or shift towards shared driverless mobility. The latter perspective promoted by ACS Mobility suggests a dual-drive new form of mobility integrated with emerging automotive technologies. Cities, industry, and research institutes are aligning with these visions. For example, Dubai aims for 25% autonomous transport by 2030, with companies like Cruise and the Land Rover testing AD technology there. In Norway, the EU Fabulous initiative is trailing autonomous vehicle in Gestel. Despite greater 2020 report placing AVs in the tree of disillusionment, the industry remained optimistic with recent partnership among major companies. However, widespread public deployment of AVs will require significant collaborative effort across technical, governance, societal, and policy making domains. Next. Okay, thank you. Despite tempered expectations following Gather in 2020, report placing AVs in the talks of disillusionment of industry remains promising, as evidenced by significant partnership among major companies. KPMG Autonomous Vehicle Readiness Index, correlating the competitive landscape, showing that the race of developed connected vehicle, city, and autonomous vehicle AVs involve not only automotive companies but also cities. Realizing safe and widespread AV deployment requires an extensive collaboration across technical, government, societal, and policymaking domains. These efforts are essential to addressing the multifaceted challenges and ensuring the responsible integration of AVs into everyday mobility solutions. Next. So that's it. The presentation from our team. Thank you for listening. Thank you.